us from falling down.
Oh, stop it. You're fine. Good morning, y'all. Actually, it's not even the morning. She went to bed at like 7:45 last night, and she woke up at 1 p.m. So that's how our morning's going. She's still fussy. She slept for so damn long. She don't even know, how to react. So she just took the angry route today. So I am currently. But look at your face. No, don't be sad. Don't be sad. Okay, come on. We're gonna make you a bottle. I'm about to make her a bottle because I have a couple errands I need to run. This is my first time. Oh crap, focus. I know I look a mess right now, but this is about to be my first time going to the grocery store with both kids by myself. I'm pretty sure. Like, I haven't had, if I did do it before, I did it when she was a newborn. So all she was doing was sleeping. So her hair as well. I'm about to take a shower, give them a bath first actually, and then do their hair and get them ready for today because we have to go to the grocery store. And so I'm guessing that I'll just take you guys along. You guys said that you guys want me to vlog, and so we'll see how this goes. I'm still not a vlogger. I can tell that Lonnie attempted to make her bed this morning. Yeah, she attempted to make her bed this morning. I am going to let her finish feeding her sister. That's her thing. That's what she likes to do. And then I'm going to get them dressed and ready because we have to go grocery shopping. Hi. So I finally got them ready. We're about to head out to go to the grocery store. You about to throw up. This is real life, okay? This is we're not a perfect family, okay? This is literally our reality, like every single day. Did you poop? We'll be back. So, oh my God. So we're finally on our way to the store, and I'm freaking hot and tired. Don't start, Selena. We about to start moving. All right, we'll see y'all at Target.
That's what they said.
What they say?
They said imagination.
You can use your imagination. They ain't talking about what you think they talking about. She's trying to start with. We finally at Target though, y'all, okay? So we're about to go in so I can get them situated and get the groceries and all that jazz. I was gonna take this in the store with me, but I don't know, because she acting kind of crazy. So we finally made it into Target. Honey, look. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
Hey, y'all. She's, I guess, content because I'm holding her. But we're about to go get some groceries. What kind of snacks do you want?
I don't know.
You like cookies?
Yes.
You probably need something healthy though. So she's falling asleep. Wait, we're gonna make some vegan chili tonight. And I need to get some tortilla chips. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, come on. Let's go. Yes. Hardest task ever. Why you got your tongue out? It's no snow falling. Alright, we're on our way back to the car. So we're finally back home. Selena been screaming and hollering, doing the most. So I'm about to go take them inside the house and then bring in the groceries, and then I'll show you guys what we got. So Selena is currently screaming to the top of her damn lungs because I just put her down because I'm about to go get the groceries. Don't mind her. She's perfectly fine. I changed her diaper. I fed her. There's nothing wrong with her. She's literally just hollering. I'm kind of trying not to be irritated. Like, I'm kind of trying not to be irritated for the simple fact that, like, my 3-year-old is acting like a teenager. She's acting like she has a freaking listening problem. Like, I'm like, oh no, don't do that. She's just like, oh no, you good, Mom. I'm gonna do it anyway. Like, that's our attitude is. I have a goddamn headache. Y'all don't understand, like, every day is not peaches and cream, okay? Like, everything ain't what it seems. If I gotta be a vlogger, I'm gonna be the vlogger to show y'all the good, the bad, and the ugly. You know what I mean? Today, It's just one of those days. So anyway, let's go get these groceries. I'm super duper hot because we live in the South, even though it's December. Well, this video is gonna go up in January. So even though it's the winter, it is so freaking hot today. It's like 70 degrees. It's just so hot. I don't know why I have on a sweater. Absolutely done. Absolutely done. Okay. Okay, y'all. I finally brought in all the groceries, and so I'm just gonna be showing you guys everything that I picked up from Target because that's just where I went to today. I don't always go grocery shopping at Target because some things are a little bit more expensive. Sometimes I go grocery shopping at Trader Joe's. Other times I go grocery shopping at Walmart. Hell, I go to Aldi's. I go to Buy Low, Rite Aid, Kroger, you know, places like that. I'm so out of breath. I'm actually gonna go get something to drink really fast. The only thing I forgot to get today was almond milk. We have almond milk, but I normally like to get 2 just because, you know, in case we run out, I want to be able to have 2. Don't try to tell me that I have a hole in this sweater. I know I've been having a hole in this sweater for over a year, but I'm still gonna wear it. So where do I start? So first and foremost, I got Selena some more wipes. I'll have like all the prices like on the screen, but I got her some more wipes, the 5-pack, which is 500 wipes, so it's 100 in each pack. I got some Dasani because we needed some more water bottles. The Dasani is actually my favorite, and that was on sale for $3.99 a pack. And then I got some diapers. These are the Up and Up brand, so that's the Target brand of diapers, but they're really, really good. It's for babies between 8 to 14 pounds. I wanted to say this though, like, I got 4 packs of those, 4 bags of those, and all 4 bags together was $18. And all those bags together is 176 diapers. If you get their Up and Up box of diapers, that's 176 diapers as well, then it's gonna be $21 and some change. So all in all, you're saving a little bit of money. So I got 4 bags of those diapers. And then I got some 100% apple juice because that's Leilani's favorite. And then I got some 100% cranberry juice with no sugar added because, for those of y'all who don't know, cranberry juice is my favorite juice, and it's really, really good for your body and your pH balance and things like that. So yes, that's what I got. I got some blue corn tortilla chips by Simply Balanced. They're organic. I heard that these were really, really, really good. To me, they're tortilla chips. I got those because tonight I'm going to be making some vegan chili. No, we're not vegan, but my daughter needs to eat more vegetables, and I probably need to eat more vegetables myself. And so that's my reason for getting it. I also got little snacks, not very healthy, but I got the Ruffles Flaming Hot potato chips because they're so freaking good to me. It just tastes like, you know, Ruffled potato chips with the with like hot Cheeto seasoning all over it. And so like I said, I'm making vegan chili today, so I needed some beans, and so I got some pinto beans. I got some light red kidney beans, and I also got some whole kernel corn. And hold on, I got corn. I also got some 2 cans of fire roasted diced tomatoes, just because I like the smoky flavor that it gives, especially like when making a chili. And so I got that. I got 2 cans just in case. You know, I wanted to make it another time. I got some soy sauce, left with less sodium, just because I'm trying to get like a little bit healthier, honestly, because I'm small, but I'm not always the healthiest eater, you know, and so I'm trying to be more healthy. I also got some more Bertolli's Alfredo sauce with the 2-pack, and so it just looks like this. And then I got my favorite. I got 2 of these. It's the Bertolli's vodka sauce. I freaking love this. Like, this is the best thing ever to put on some cheese tortellini. You can put it on the cheese tortellini that has the spinach in it. I also got a hard bristle brush, and like this is like the perfect amount of hard. Anybody with curly hair, natural hair knows that you need a hard bristle brush, and sometimes it's hard to find because the bristles aren't always hard enough, but this is like $2 and some change. I also got 2 of these Hint water infused drinks. It's by Hint, and I got the pineapple flavor one, which looks like this, and then I got the watermelon flavor one. When I was in New Mexico, that's what my aunt had, the pineapple one, and it wasn't bad. It just tastes like regular water. I picked up 2 Zico coconut waters. It's not for everybody. It's natural and it has like no sugar added. I personally like coconut water. Some people don't like coconut, or some people are not familiar with it. So someone like my twin sister should think that this is absolutely disgusting. She does not like coconut water. I just personally, I like it. Some Uncle Ben's ready rice, and then I got like 4 packs of the jasmine rice because I personally just like jasmine rice. Then I got some vegetable broth for my vegan chili. And I got the one that didn't have I got the one that had no mushrooms in it, because those of you guys who don't know, I am allergic to mushrooms. And then I also got, this is what I use to make like spaghetti if I'm doing it like for like a vegetarian or like a vegan. I use Morningstar breakfast sausage patties, and it's really just made out of vegetables, but it tastes like hearty to me. I also got the ultimate beefless ground, and it looks like this. That's pretty much everything that I got. I'm going to put this up, and I'll probably do a separate video on how I make the vegan chili, but right now I'm just going to put this stuff up, and then I'm going to clean up and just, you know, like have a breather. Selena, she, you know, by the time I went to go get the groceries out and bring them back inside the house, she had already went to sleep, so she's taking a nap. Lonnie is watching her shows. I'm about to charge her tablet and stuff for her, because that's one of the gifts that she got for Christmas. And then I will be back, okay? I'll be back with you guys shortly, okay? So y'all, I just got done making the vegan chili, and when I tell you, girl, I really outdid myself this time. Like, honestly, this chili is so freaking good. And like, I'm a firm believer, like, you kind of you see your food before you taste it, and it's really, really good. It looks really, really, really meaty, and you can see. But that's really just my secret ingredient. It's made like this, like with this, so it looks meaty, but it's really made out of vegetables. So if you want your kids to be sitting up here like eating their veggies, and like just like, you know, that they're eating like nothing but a spoonful of veggies and like healthiness and all that good stuff, then I really think that you guys should try this chili out. I think, let me get Lonnie's. Hers was like still hot, so I had it cooling off in the freezer. Ugh. It's still a little hot, okay? But I'm just gonna feed her dinner. And Selena is still asleep. I'm not sure if like, maybe she's not. I feel like she's, hold on, I feel like she's going through like a growth spurt, because she never sleeps like this, you know. Oh, she's woke. Hi, mama's baby. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, you finally woke? You've been sleeping like all day. You gonna lay back down? Yeah? You was tired, huh? Come on, sweet girl. Let's go make you some food. You can't reach for the camera now, little girl. So, we're gonna eat. I'm gonna make her a bottle with some cereal, like some rice. Give her some baby food, because she's been sleeping like all day, right? They always ask me why I never have her like in videos and stuff like that. It's because she does her own thing. She moves at the beat of her own drum, so y'all don't really see a lot of her in my videos. But then again, at the same time, I don't really vlog, So how would you see her, especially if it's like a planned video? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are liking the vlogs, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section below if you guys want to see more. And until next time, bye guys. I'm sorry, we have a boring day. We kind of have like a boring lifestyle. You know, we didn't do much today. We didn't have anything planned. That's why I haven't been vlogging. I prefer to vlog like if I actually have something going on, but we're boring people, you know. We're kind of boring. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, especially if you guys made it to the end. Until next time, bye guys. Also, y'all, I just wanted to say that my first ever shout out is going to you. Your name is going to be right here. I don't want to butcher your name, but this is my first ever shout out of this week that I'm doing on TikTok. I think that's who my first shout out goes to. All right, so congratulations, and until next time, bye guys. You ain't got to find nothing.